Hey people, let me try to connect to her again. Let's wait again. Hi, we are connected again.
Hi.
Okay, we
Yeah.
are
What
connected.
happened?
There's some network issue at your side, I guess.
Hey, my Wi-Fi is working fine, completely fine.
Acha, it says poor connection, video paused due to poor connection at your side. It's okay, it's fine. Okay, let's
It's okay.
go ahead with kid psychology. I was asking
Okay.
uh, this behavioral changes in kids. What are these behavioral changes in kids that parents see and then take to psychiatrists?
Actually, there are, I think, if you have read my post about red flags, you don't have to go for everything to a child psychiatrist or psychologist. There are some red flags of kids' behavior, like which are extreme. Like if a kid is want to be alone or aloof and locked up in his room, and if a kid doesn't share, like my child, my younger one, he has a habit. He's a shy child. He doesn't speak up, and he is such a shy child that he did not speak up to his own teacher for 6 months. He at home he's very fine and normal child, but when he goes to school, he doesn't even utter a single word to his
Yeah, yeah,
teacher, to his friends. So then you have to go for a child psychiatrist or a child
so, did
psychologist.
you it's personal. So, did you go to or did you do something with your younger kid?
Yeah, I had to understand why he's doing this because he was very insecure. What happened that I was a working mom and I sent to him school at very early age. matlab At one point, because I was a working woman, I left him at 3 months with his grandmother. Means I was working since he was 3 months. So he developed an insecure behavior towards me. Like he was insecure that his mother is going to leave him at any time. And when he was introduced to the environment of the school, right, so he was not comfortable with that, so we had to made him learn something that we with the time we found out what he's actually feeling. He was insecure about family environment, so that is why he was a shy child. And slowly and gradually he learned that school is just a normal part. We're not going to leave him somewhere forever, or means this could happen with working moms and parents when both
This is
parents are working and
versus patients
grandparents are
only.
looking at.
Okay.
Hmm. So
But
this can
what
happen
is
with
this
anyone with it.
age group of kids जो generally child special psychiatrist के पास जिनको जाना होता है what is there some
Hmm.
specific age group?
Actually, it depends. If your child shows the signs of dysgraphia, or means the learning problems. If he shows some learning problems at an early age, not simple but severe learning problems, right? So dysgraphia is when a child is not even able to draw a single line, or is not able to differentiate between diagrams. That is dysgraphia, right? And in dyslexia is a learning problem where child is not able to identify different forms of words or different forms of letters. And then if it continues up to 3 years, it's normal. Most of the child confuses between P, B, D, H. Okay, but if the child they continues this behavior up to five years, if this behavior continues up to 5 years, then parents have to go for a medical help.
Achha, there was a query that came when I posted this kid psychology thing. I'm going to go live.
Mhm.
There's a query from
Mhm.
a parent of an infant. Her kid is 1.5 years. Okay, approx 1.5 साल
Okay.
की है, and
Uh-huh.
and she thinks her kid is not speaking up. मतलब she just says
No, that's
mama
very
mama
normal.
and
That's
she's not
very
saying
normal.
anything.
Yeah,
Is
because
this
my
issue?
elder, they can get a medical checkup for for her tongue. Sometimes there's a thin layer in the lower tongue which is
No,
not.
actually, she is able to speak. Actually, she's able to
No, no,
speak.
no.
What
Like,
she doesn't
I'm
speak.
telling you that my elder son, he was speaking only mama and baba up to age of 2.5 years and not other words. right? So when we got his medical checkup done, they said
Like
he has a
sometimes,
tongue joint. He has a मतलब common language में उसे तंदुआ बोलते हैं. मतलब he has a thin layer of skin under his tongue which is not allowing his tongue movement. That is why he's not
now it's
speaking.
perfectly
So
fine, right?
then it is nothing to worry because some kids start speaking at the age of 3.5, up to 3.5 years. That is quite normal because my also elder one, when he got treated, it was just a simple, cut which they had to apply. He started speaking immediately after it, and that is very because child will start speaking. Your elder child sometimes starts speaking late when he goes to his normal age group, na, when they go to school up after age of
Okay, okay.
2.5. Hmm.
Okay. Acha, is this thing, this lockdown thing, it might have affected many kids, right? So,
Yes, this has affected means this has increased tantrums in the kids. This has increased social and network on-screen timing of the kids. Okay, now kids are totally locked up, and yes, the kids are out of activities, regular activities. They are not playing. They are most into watching YouTube videos and creative things, right? So we have to
so
find
this
out a
this
solution
thing
for.
I came to know from a friend of mine. She's a mom. She said she went for her daughter who's 1.5. She's also 1.5. She went to doctor
Mhm.
because she was not being able to speak at this age, just 1.5. So doctor said because uska baby she used to watch lots of YouTube videos. तो ये रीजन भी होता है क्या कि किड्स स्पीक अप नहीं कर सकते हैं?
No.
Nothing.
Yeah, no, no, yeah, okay. The kid is watching too much of television or YouTube videos.
अच्छा. हाँ,
No,
या या.
kid is watching. Okay, yeah, that could be the reason because she is only acquiring, she is not acquiring the skill of communicating, right? Kid will only speak when he'll find a proper companion to communicate. So,
Okay.
with parents, she is not, with parents, she is not able to know what to communicate. She is not, means
She's
if the
just
kid is watching.
grabbing things and she's not, spilling it out, right?
No, no. And she might be watching too much of that, I think, poems.
Okay.
If you are into, you can never learn through rhymes, through songs. I mean, you will see many people are very good at English songs, right? They listen to too much of English songs, but they are not good at speaking English
Yeah.
because music. Because we have two parts of brain now, so music is related to the left part, other and the language is related to the right part.
This is very
Okay,
informative. There
so
are many
yes,
students
yes.
from my previous
That
school.
is
They taking this
yes,
like.
that is the main reason. That is the main reason doctor told them that their daughter is not speaking up. That is because she's putting up the things in her left brain. She's
Too
not
much
putting up the
pressure on
things in
this,
her
right?
right brain.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so my
Mm.
next question, that query, this query I was talking about, that 1.5 year, how much age should be,
Mhm.
like you think, कि किस एज तक बच्चे अगर नहीं भी बोलते हैं तो they should not take them to doctor? 2 years, right?
2.9 years. If the child is speaking 4 to 5 or 10, 12, 10 words, now even 4 words, it's normal. Up to 2.5 years, let the child go to the school. Even after attending playway for 3 4 months, the child doesn't show any progress, then they definitely need to go to the doctor. And if child is always babbling, means he's not saying clearly mama or papa or baba or dada, yeah, some fruit, है ना, then they have to worry about it. When he's always producing different sounds, but he's not spoken up any single word, then they need to worry about. Otherwise, up to 2.5 or 2.9 years, they really
Nothing.
do not need to worry about it. No.
Like kids का behavior change जो होता है, this behavioral change in kids, is it because of due
Mhm.
to what they see around them, like parents का behavior, parents stressed up है, parents fight करते हैं?
Yes, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. Like you said, uncooperative kids. If parents are always fighting you, you are going to bring up uncooperative kids. I think I have a blog on Instagram already. If you are
I, I, I actually checked
um
out your blog, how this
uh,
stress parenting, something like that.
No, that is test parent in parents. I also have a different that your non-cooperative thing you said now, that if you want your child to cooperate, you have to be a cooperative parent. Sometimes, you are a commanding parent. If you are a commanding parent, you cannot मतलब expect that your child is going to be a.
Like, you know what happens? Sometimes kids are totally different. Like in my case also, I really try to control my kid and she's not at all cooperative. I can't scold her because, you know, आजकल के time में we don't scold. And she's not listening. She's
Uh-huh.
just 1.5 though. But
Okay.
she's like boss baby, you know. She won't ever listen to any one of us. So how do you control
Boss
elder kids?
baby,
She's too small for this.
uh,
But what about if
family.
kids are around 6 years, 7 years, and they are not listening to parents? How to control them? Not control exactly, like how, what to do so that they listen to their parents.
Actually, you have to start building up the habits of the child from the day he starts go to school. ठीक है? अगर आप इन हिंदी में बताती हूँ इसको मैं, क्योंकि अगर आप तब से ही अपने बच्चे की हैबिट्स बिल्डअप नहीं कर रहे हो, ठीक है, आप आते नहीं डाल रहे हो, तो ऑब्वियसली योर चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू बी अ नॉन कोऑपरेटिव चाइल्ड इन द फ्यूचर. And mainly non-cooperative childs, that problem occurs when there is a joint family. You have grandparental effect on them, because sometimes grandparents, they don't do it knowingly, मतलब जानबूझ के नहीं करते हैं, but उनको आदत होती है to
Too
मतलब
much of
कि
love. That's
control.
too much of
हाँ,
love.
to control the parents. हाँ, to control the parents. When the child sees कि उनके parents की जो है बात उनके मतलब ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के आगे नहीं चलती, then child gets his education, learning that how to get his things done. He will become uncooperative because he knows कि grandparents से उसको benefit हो जाएगा जो चीज उसको नहीं चाहिए.
Escape. हाँ, yeah, okay.
Uh-huh. So, nahi, and uncooperative, how to control? I'm telling you simple. First, be clear with your child. उनको बोलो कि this is how what you are doing. Means you have to take them out for activities with yourself. You have to take out a child time with yourself. 1 hour.
Yeah.
1 hour completely with mother.
Okay.
Completely. Nobody else is allowed with the
But
mother
with
and the
father,
child.
only with mother, you're saying, right?
Only with mother, because only with mother, because father 1 hour, 1 or 2 hours with parents, only with parents, 1 hour quality time with your child, so that if you're always, sometimes I think when we are working mothers, we develop a habit, or to escape some of the duty, we develop a habit of handing our child always to the grandparents, and there you are starting an uncooperative moment with your child, because आपको भी चाइल्ड का बिहेवियर समझ में नहीं आता है, आपको तब पता चलता है जब उसकी वो आदत बिल्डअप हो जाती है, दैट हैबिट
That
बिल्डअप हो
is
जाती है.
after
एंड
5 to 6 years,
हाँ,
right?
दैट इज 5 to 6 years, बिकॉज 6 years पे बच्चा जो है ना, इट स्टार्ट्स लर्निंग कॉन्सेप्ट, बिल्डिंग अप कॉन्सेप्ट, उसको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आने लग जाता है बच्चे को. सो सिंपल थिंग इज, यू रियली नीड योर personal time with your child, at least 1 hour, at least 30 minutes you need with your child, that what you are doing with him, what to just a talk time, you say, okay, you need a talk time with your
Quality
child.
time with your kids.
हाँ, quality time, talk time, ask your child in, and
घुमा
never put
घुमा
too
के
long
बच्चों से
questions.
पूछना what is happening around you, right? What is
नहीं
happening?
नहीं, नॉट घुमा फिरा के, नो
Okay.
नॉट घुमा फिरा के नहीं, बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट एंड छोटे क्वेश्चंस. अच्छा, आज स्कूल में किसी फ्रेंड ने कुछ नया किया, मीन्स आप पता क्या पूछते हो, लाइक मैंने क्वेश्चंस फ्रेमिंग में प्रॉब्लम ये देखी है, हम पूछेंगे आज स्कूल में क्या हुआ, अब स्कूल में तो 15 एक्टिविटीज हुई होंगी, ठीक है, तो आज लाइक उसका वो बच्चा सारी कंपाइल नहीं कर सकता, आपका 5-6 साल का बच्चा पूरे दिन की चीजें आपको फ्रेम करके कंक्लूजन में नहीं बता सकता, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज. अच्छा, लंच कैसा था? अच्छा, लंच के बाद मैम ने कोई एक्टिविटी करवाई, आज कोई नई एक्टिविटी हुई, आज डांस किया, आज म्यूजिक की क्लास थी, मतलब प्रिसाइज सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तो बच्चा
Did you
आपको
have fun
एक्यूरेट
when
आंसर्स
you were
देगा.
the dot? Okay. Okay, yeah. That's cool.
हम्म.
I'll
एक्यूरेट
I'll put this
आंसर्स देगा,
analogy.
एंड देन यू कैन. हाँ.
This one thing parents do, comparing kids. तो ये comparing kids से बच्चों पे क्या effect होता है? Do they become really competitive, or this gives a negative impact on kids?
That's a negative impact on your kids. They don't become competitive. They start feeling that they have something in them. They do not have something in their characteristic, and they need to acquire it. So always tell your child that he needs to learn for himself, not to degrade others. Like,
Like
don't let him
he is
learn.
doing
हाँ,
good, he is doing good, nothing like that, right? But I
no,
have
no,
seen
no.
many
Means
parents, in fact, every parents I have seen, they do this. Like, वो
this.
इसमें अच्छा कर रहा है, why you're not doing this better? So this is
Mhm.
not good, right?
Then new problem will also arrive. When your child will grow up, he will start comparing you with their parents, with his friends' parents. Then you will realize what you have done. पता है क्या करेंगे? आपके he has PlayStation 5, मेरे पास नहीं है, लाके दो. उसके पेरेंट्स ने लाके दिया है. अगर आप उसका कंपैरिजन, आप बच्चे का कंपैरिजन बच्चे से करोगे ना, तो one day it will happen that your child will
Will
compare
come back
to
again,
their
right?
parents. That is.
That's karma.
So you should avoid this thing, comparing your child. You should always be concentrated on your child rather than this ki what else's child is doing. You should never do that. No, because it marks doesn't matter. I think I clearly remember I scored 70%. Now kids are scoring 90%, 93%, and 99% also. But everyone is not going to make it on to the top. I think all 99% scorers are hired or employed, and rather 60-70% scorers are into businesses, I think so it doesn't matter. It's like how you construct the personality of your child, rather than don't bother about point 1, point 2. I see to the mothers who are bothered about
It's not
point 2,
just
point
about
3.
marks. I have seen some parents like kids. He's not good into dancing, but दूसरे बच्चों को देख के parents are like कि जबरदस्ती push करके कि डांस के तुम डांस के classes लो, and like
हाँ,
it's not just
हाँ,
about skills.
classes
I
है.
have seen this for different different qualities. जबरदस्ती build up करना है
हम्म,
बच्चों में. So this
हम्म.
somehow does it affect on brain, mental also.
Yes, because child is forced to learn. अगर वो forced learning है, first thing it will not remain for long. Forced learnings जो होती हैं ज्यादा देर तक नहीं रहती है, and your child will become a rebel too. या तो rebel बन जाएगा, अगर rebel नहीं बनेगा तो he will become a complex, जो introvert child personalities होती हैं, because he will develop a thing कि his parents are not going to listen to him or accept him his incapabilities. That is very interesting that we accept each and every capability of our child, but we do not accept what he is incapable of. Your child could be, you are also incapable of many things. Means I know when my guide and mentor talks to me, he says उनको सारी, he can cook any cuisine of the world. He knows many cuisines, but he doesn't know how to cook a roti. Yeah, my mentor, he doesn't know how to make a chapati. Seriously, he can make rice, but he doesn't know how to make a chapati. So it is his
This happened.
incapability, और
This
उनको
was
इसमें
my
कोई
husband.
शर्म भी नहीं आती. हाँ, मतलब मल्टी टैलेंटेड कुक है पर चपाती नहीं बना सकते हैं, तो happens, it's not a big deal. हाँ, ये है कि बच्चे को he should know और डांस ऐसा आप you should do this for your child, that he should not lag behind. मतलब he should not be standing in a corner in any marriage function or what. But if he is dancing incorrect, that is good, but do not force him कि he should know how to dance.
Okay.
You start learning because मैं यही बात करती हूँ, फॉरेन
It's
फॉरेन
not
और
that
इंडियन.
कि हम लोगों को बच्चों को कुछ भी नहीं बोलना है. We should say something, but we should not compare. We should just
या
उनमें उनको पीछे नहीं करना है या बैक बेंचर्स नहीं बना के रखना है, but we should not force them, right? Okay. Thank you. That was
हाँ, we
crazy.
should not force them, and we should make a analog of our child. हमें अपने बच्चे की जो अचीवमेंट्स हैं, जो पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स हैं, उनको याद रखना है, ना कि दूसरों के बच्चों के पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, बिकॉज दैट इज देयर हेडेक। क्योंकि मैं बताती हूँ, मेरा टीनेजर पूछता है ना कभी कभी, वो नहीं पढ़ता, एंड बिकॉज आई डोंट कंपेयर माई चाइल्ड, बिकॉज आई लर्नड इट वेरी अर्ली, तो कहेगा उसके मार्क्स नहीं आए, वो नहीं पढ़ता, वो नहीं पढ़ता। मैंने बोला कि अच्छा बेटा, वो तो उसके पेरेंट्स ऐसा करेंगे, फिर तू करेगा? देन ही स्टार्ट्स थिंकिंग। मतलब नेवर कंपेयर योर चाइल्ड, आई नेवर कंपेयर्ड हिम, क्योंकि द
But you don't
टाइम विल
compare
कम।
with younger and elder. You don't compare between two.
No, they are simply north and south poles I have. He is a the younger one is a sweet lover. The eldest one is, he doesn't eat a single sweet. They are completely opposite.
Okay.
He is very creative. He is a focused person. And my both children, both are completely opposite. He is very intelligent, my elder one, but he is intelligent and is overconfident. That is why he doesn't learn too much. He knows that he can crack the exam at last moment. And my little one, he knows that he is not that much good in learning. He needs to develop that habit. So he wants कि mama मुझे समझा दो. He will come and ask. He learns
There's
because he
no.
know he has some, he needs to
He
work on it.
actually
Means
every mom they want, every mom, every parent, they want कि बच्चे उनके पास आए, they come to them. This is अच्छा.
yeah.
What do you want to say to these mommies, these parents? क्या मैसेज आप देना चाहोगे so that वो kids में ये develop करें कि उनको कोई psychiatrist के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े?
First thing, you take out your child 30 minutes every day, just you and your child. Okay, that develop a quality time with your
That's
child.
one
This is
point
the
I can do
only
that.
thing. And and don't exaggerate too much, because your mommies are the best, because some really wonder. I do fail my education. These both two, when they fight na, I really feel like banging my head over a wall, because by the wall because I seriously, they fail me sometimes. ये कहेगा आप उसको नहीं बोलते, आप उसको, उसकी ये गलती, उसकी, मतलब मैं कहूंगी कि it's not a big deal, उसने ये गलती, but they fail me sometimes. Every time any type of education can fail in front of kids, so don't worry about it too much. Be yourself. Let your child be himself. Don't be a commanding parent, rather than be a companion parent. Okay? Be a companion mother.
So
Be a
sometimes should we leave them
companion.
whatever they are doing? Like if they are fighting, also we should leave them. Is it feasible to
No,
leave
no,
them
no, no, no.
if
Never
they're
leave
fighting?
them. I mean, I sit on a side and I watch them fighting, and sometimes really it becomes
Okay,
a headache क्योंकि
close
इतने
your eyes and
चिल्लाते हैं,
listen to
और
fighting.
sometimes they get physical. You should not leave them, because sometimes if they are getting physical, na, sometimes when it's just a normal fight, that if you leave them, na, they because they are partners in crime, they are siblings also. I remember one day I was out to the market and I told them कि घर पे कोई नहीं है. They were all alone. Elder one is 14 years, so he locked down and look after him. When I came back, I ना दबे पाँव बिल्कुल चुपचाप, with a silent like a thief. I went upstairs, and when I went, I watched them through the door, and they both were on computer ना, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, and nothing happened for 5 minutes. I watched them. I came down, और जैसे ही मैंने आवाज की ना, the little one popped out. मम्मी इसने ये किया, इसने मेरे को ये नहीं देखने दिया, एंड ही ऑल्सो. मैं आई सेड दैट कि मेरे से, मैंने कहा तुम दोनों को मेरे से दुश्मनी है. मैंने कहा आई वॉच्ड यू फॉर 5 मिनट्स, फिर दोनों चुप हो गए. तुम दोनों अभी बड़े प्यार से थे कि व्हाट हैपेंड. वे एक्चुअली दे टेक देयर मदर एज अ मीडिएटर. एंड when you have two children na, they seek importance in your life. They really want to know that if elder one is important or the younger one is important. That is the main problem where kid tantrums rise up. When you have two kids, obviously your kid, this arises due to the importance thing,
Okay,
because
so
they
your
little one will
psychiatrist,
say
we want you to give a message to everyone so that we don't need a child psychiatrist, because obviously we
the
don't need a child
the message,
psychiatrist. But yeah,
the only
definitely, if any one of us have any issues with kids' behavior, we can come to you, right?
yeah, you can ask me. If it's in general thing, I
Okay,
will
great.
guide you. But if you need a medical help, then go for a medical help. But the only message is कि mothers, be yourself, and your kids are born to fail you. They can fail any kind of your education. Just believe in yourself, because I really sometimes feel like plucking out my hairs, and then I really love my mom now, because she has raised three devils, well, three of us siblings, and I am having two, and I really sometimes I run to her to save me from these two.
This happens with
So.
every mom. Like after having kid, they start respecting
Hmm.
and loving their mom more.
Huh. Yeah, I seriously wonder sometimes that we were three and I'm not able to cooperate with two of them. So, and they are at a distance. We were at two years difference from each other, and they are at 6 years difference. So it doesn't matter how much difference your children have, or you have are you a single parent, or you have a single child. It doesn't matter, because child has his own journey. The simple thing is, your child will be 70% of your teaching. ठीक है, you're bringing up. He'll be 100% what he wants to. So believe in yourself. You will not need a psychiatrist if you'll notice down the capabilities of a child. Start
Okay,
recognizing the
Mr. Ma'am,
capabilities of a child.
if you guys just a second, Hila, if any one of you wants to ask anything, so you can put up your query here. We're just checking it out. If you have any query, I guess I've already asked too much of it.
Okay.
No, I don't think there's a query.
Hmm.
It's okay. It's fine. It's good. It's good. I guess I have asked too much of kid psychology thing. Acha, okay.
Hmm.
So writing it out, because you have to give your time to your kids, right? And even I have to.
Yeah,
So
yeah, it's dinner
just
time now.
you are into
Hello.
laser technology too. Just a brief description of
I'm
what.
not getting you. Hello.
Since you're into
Yeah,
laser
yeah,
skin
yeah.
technology, we want a small
Yeah,
description of what is this, so that we can
lasers. Okay. Lasers.
have some
La
sessions later
Mhm.
on it.
Yeah, okay. Lasers is actually I have learned to play or to treat with all kinds of lasers. Lasers of hair removal also of many things, rejuvenating, fat reduction, lipid reduction. Means I have learned all the skin anatomy and hair anatomy, and how lasers treat that, and safety measures in lasers and all these things. Lasers are actually phototherapy. It's nothing, it's a light, and
So
that's a myth that
this
it's
actually what happens now. Before taking this laser treatment, people think there is a side effect of it. Is there a side effect of it?
no, actually, when you get into it now, I have treated three doctors, and three doctors for full body reduction in 6 sittings. Three female doctors. One was from US, two were Indians, right? And the thing is, lasers are actually the current laser scenario. They are actually harmful because they have wavelength, and every laser they go to a specific wavelength and not to any different kind of cell. And for tell you the laser hair reduction and the scar removal thing, they fix up a wavelength, and if you take a laser and you go through your body, it will not hurt you at all. If there's no pigment,
It's all painful too.
lasers are, no, it's not painful at all. It's really not painful these days, because it has a specific wavelength. It will attack the particular cell you want to. It is not going to say anything to any of the other cell on your skin. It will attack only the root of the hair. If there is no hair, it is not going to do anything with your skin. It is only going to attack the scar, the pigment in the skin, and it is not going to do anything with your normal body cell. So lasers are really, there are no side effects of laser. They are under consideration. Yes, in history when they were, there were no settings, there were no wavelengths, and there were limited studies on the lasers. Then there were some harmful effects of them. But today, if I say, lasers are completely non-harmful thing, because I have studied them. We have three pigments in our body, and they attack your cell according to the pigment in it. Otherwise, it doesn't harm your normal body, skin, or anything else. And one more thing, you know, that laser wavelength, we have three layers now, and the root hair is in the second. It only go to the root of the hair. If there's no hair root now, it will not do anything to your skin. It will not do anything to the hair. If you suppose you have waxed your hair, okay, you wax your hair and then do the laser, it is completely effectless, completely.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Hmm.
so
So
wrapping
they
it out, a message for kids and everyone out here. Any message?
only just to the
That's
moms,
it.
believe
The monkey
yourself.
definitely.
Believe yourselves, you are the best. Your kids are the best to you, best ever gifts to you, and your every child has his or own capabilities. And one thing I really want to know, your kids know what they want to become. We can have a different session on the editor of the Vogue.
Sure, sure.
She was only 5 years old when she wrote she wants to become editor of the Vogue, and then she completely forgot about it. But her father knew, and he kept that paper with himself, and when one day when she came home with the trophy na, he handed it over to it. So it's really simple. Your kids know in their childhood what they want to become, but with the influences they can forget. But believe me, your child has specific capabilities. Please work on those capabilities rather than improving their negative, yeah, incapabilities, or putting the incapabilities into them. Work on the areas which they are already capable of.
This generally leads to, kids' mental issues, right?
Yeah,
This
mental issues is on.
too much of.
Just keeping the red flags. If your kid is too much irritating,
Yeah,
too much
please,
crying,
guys,
too much
please check out
crying,
this red flags post on her page.
huh,
It's really, really helpful. Yeah.
you just go to the red flags things. Even in the early childhood, if your child shows anger issues and breaking up the things and all that, or very he's using some different, you have to check the influences on him and nothing else. You need only medical assistant if there are red flags. If there is no red flag, every behavior is normal.
Okay, okay, okay. You have to go to medical treatment for this, right?
Yeah, a medical treatment in severe cases when your child anger issues not controllable, what pricks him, what provokes him, and then he needs a medical, or like I said, dyslexia, yeah, dysgraphia things, when your child is not able to read. If your child has dyslexia, he will never, some first thing is, if your child reports, get his eyesight checkup. Don't take him directly. I have seen people after watching that Tare Zameen Par na, when their child said ki I'm not able to read what is on the blackboard, they took him to the psychiatrist, but the problem was with his eyesight. So first thing, always get your complete medical checkup of your child. If he reports something, start with the basic treatment like eyesight or throat infection or something. But if your child reports severe, problems, only then move to the medical help. Otherwise,
Definitely.
every behavior is normal. Huh?
Okay, okay. Chalo, thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you so much for giving
Hmm.
your time. Thank you. Really, thank you. Really, thank you. Okay.
You're
So,
most welcome. You're
bye.
most welcome.
Take care.
Okay, thank you
I'm
so
going to get
much. Okay.
more live sessions with you. Okay.
Yeah, okay, good luck. Bye. My
Bye. Take
pleasure.
care.
Okay.